are going to be eating ice cream for 24 hours.
It's gonna be the world record.
We are going to be eating ice cream for 24 hours. Hey guys, it's Leah and Gwen, and welcome back to our channel. Stay with us till the end of this video to see our challenge contest on who can eat the biggest ice cream in the shortest period of time.
It's gonna be the funnest day ever.
If one of us wins, whoever wins gets $10. Okay, so now me and Gwen are gonna be choosing what we wanna eat. Now it's breakfast time, and I'm gonna be starting off for breakfast with a Kit Kat ice cream.
I'm gonna be starting with Friendlies.
Okay, now we're gonna be eating and rating our ice cream. So this is the Kit Kat one.
This is the Friendlies one. Yum. Oh my god, it's so good.
Okay, so I rate this like a 7 out of 10 because it's vanilla, and I don't really like vanilla, but it has a chocolate outing, like a layer. So I'm gonna go to the cone.
I give still this one a 100 out of 100 because it's so good, and I love chocolate, and I love the rainbow sprinkles too. It's so good.
Well, I'm done eating, and now Gwen is finishing up her ice
Because
cream.
Leah's a fast ice cream eater.
That means I'll win the challenge. So I'm done eating my ice cream, and now Gwen is finishing up hers ice cream. Alright, now we're gonna have a snack. I'm having a loaded cones blue bunny, and Gwen's having a Friendlies ice cream sandwich.
Okay, how do I open this?
We're gonna be rating these too.
Can you open this, Mommy?
So this is our ice cream, and now we're gonna be testing it. This is so good. I love this one.
I'll give this 9 out of 1. It's kind of good though. It's cute and good. I don't know why I called it cute.
You should bite into it.
No, I only eat the cream. It just looks very terrible, but this side is actually very good. The ones at school I have are very good, but I love the cream.
So, do you like it or not?
Maybe I like it or not. I don't know. I like it and I don't. Oh my god, it's so cold. I'm so cold. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so cold. Oh my god, I'm literally crying. It's so cold. I'm literally making the whipped cream go on the wrapper. I'm done right now. I'm done. I'm done. So I didn't like the ice cream sandwich, so now I'm eating this one. But I love them, but it just looked yucky and it tastes a little different, but I love it. So I'm eating this one again.
Well, Gwen.
Do time nap. Yum. This is awesome. Yummy, yum, yum. Oh, and also, if you're eating ice cream right now and there's a button subscribe on your ice cream, you have to smash that, and then you would be able to eat some sprinkles if you smash that.
Ice cream is yummy.
Yeah. And if there's also a bell beside subscribe, you can just hit that.
Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to stay till the end of the video to see our contest on who gets the $10 prize. Yeah!
Yeah!
Go team.
Good team.
How's that ice cream, Gwen?
How's that ice cream, Gwen?
It's really good. Like, I finished mine, but...
I was really good at finish mine, but
She's copying me.
she's copying me. Oh my god. I'll give this an infinity out of 100, out of 150 and 100. It's very good.
Hey guys, now we're gonna go get another ice cream at Crescent Ridge Dairy Farm to get it as a snack.
It's gonna be so yummy, and if you guys already been here, it's gonna be so funny. These flavors you have to try out.
Hey guys, now I have my ice cream. It's extreme chocolate.
And I got chocolate brown sprinkles, and it took so long for them to wait. Dad literally just talked to them.
He yelled at them.
Yeah, talk and yelled.
Go, Daddy.
Go, Daddy, go. Ziggy, bit, go, Daddy, go. That passenger, my brothers, go. What's this air ice cream right now?
Hey guys, now we are going to go for dinner to go to Daddy's Dairy to get some ice cream. So I got extreme chocolate, and Gwen got chocolate with rainbow sprinkles.
Yeah,
And I got a regular, which is big.
start.
Okay, we'll start eating. This one is better than the Crescent Ridge one. It's more like textury. Hey guys, we are back and we have been eating so much ice cream. It is time for our challenge. Whoever wins and eats the ice cream the fastest gets $10. Okay.
Can you make me one? I will give you half.
Okay.
Did you take tiny bites? That seems very good. Yum.
I'm eating a Kit Kat one.
Yum. Yeah. Can you please make me win, because I'll give you half, okay?
But why have half when I can have $10?
I'll give you half.
Maybe. This is really good.
Yum.
Down to the cone.
Give me half if you win.
Maybe. Ah,
What?
Gwen, up there.
What?
It's a bird.
No, there's not. I thought you meant there was a spider.
Is it chocolate?
I want to win.
Ow, I'm scared. Guys, my
Yeah.
mouth is freezing.
Wait, there's a giant spider on the wall. Wait, there's a spider crawling on your back.
Yay! I won. I forgot to throw it out. I can't swallow it for some reason. I can't swallow. Oh my god, what? Oh my god, I can't swallow. I can't swallow. Oh my god. OMG, I can't swallow. This is insane. Oh my god, what's happening? I just can't swallow it. Like, what? Wait, no, there's more coming back up. Come on, Gwen, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat. Ah! This is our dog. When your dog doesn't like you. Oh my god, stop eating the remains and eat the actual thing.
You monster!
At least you finished it quicker. Now you stained my gymnastics mat. Ow! Ah! Ah!
What was your fault?
You're the real monster here. Stop trying to blame it on me. Ah! Ah!
Give me your phone.
No. I'm gonna take an ugly picture of you. Hey guys, so we both won the challenge. Mummy's gonna give each of us $10. We hope you guys like this challenge. Make sure to come back for our next one.
And like and subscribe.
And make sure to hit that bell for the notifications. That's enough.